Welcome back to Daytime Live, and we are always happy to have the amazing Nomaddz on the show. Welcome!
So we actually haven't had both of you on the show at the same time. I know we did do a Skype with Sheila at one time.
From Indonesia.
Every we've had on the show, a couple of times we were talking about the play.
The movie too.
Movie too, right?
Yeah, you know. I was eating bun at one time.
We're eating bun at one time.
We sit down one day.
Oh, the bun!
Yeah, the bun.
But it worried him, you know.
In that choke on the water. Yeah, true, man. There was no cheese or anything. So,
yeah, but
we
real
like to
cheese
keep
are
it,
nice.
you know.
But today the full collective, because you're talking about your new album.
Perfection.
Perfection is the name of the album.
No, the album is called Heaven on Earth. I was just agreeing with you that we're talking about the new album. You know, I was just saying that you were perfect, you know, to say
To
that.
say that.
Yeah. Right.
You're right.
Right.
I'm not lying about that.
I'm true. It's perfection. So it's called Heaven on Earth.
Heaven on Earth.
And is it the style, the Nomaddz style that we've come to expect, or are you doing going another direction? Tell us about that.
Nomaddz style, you can't expect nothing.
You know it.
Because sometimes somebody wants to release another genre of, I don't know.
Well,
Tell me about the album.
I would have said, it's an interesting smoothing if you have Nomaddz and Walter Fire coming together. You know what I mean? So,
Yeah, laugh. Tell the story. I might part that.
Yeah, but on August 30, we are just look for the support, because you don't know, you always have to expect Nomaddz to stretch it. We can't really contain ourselves. From the root, which is dub poetry, we start from JCDC, them days there, until now, we add on more instrument, we've been using all the genres, greater is from mentor, preserving the culture in every way we can possibly. So that's we that. Heaven on earth we are created for ourselves.
You know what I mean?
Are you listening to it as well?
Yeah.
Can I hear you say,
So how long did it take you to put this project together?
We actually recorded this project at G-Jam Studio. We spent 4 days, entire days. We just wake up, record, and we recorded 15 songs. Nice. And then we send them off to Walshy, and Walshy pick the one, and I'm like, him say, watch, I don't want a girl song for that. So we say, all right, we say fire. Walshy, fire. So I'm saying, no. So the vibe nice, and we took it to a brother named Alan Silverman in a New York, forget it, master, and don't forget the wizard who mixed the project, Mary Samandata. She did an exceptional job and played some instruments as well.
Vocals step on it too. She feature in one of the songs in town.
Solid. So the project been coming from a longer time, from Jamaica days, because the title Heaven on Earth is a song where we write from like almost high school days, bro. You know what I mean? So it's a whole heap of thing where we stretch back from the past, antecedents to come forward in the future. I don't know. You know what I mean?
So what are you going to be performing for us today?
We're going to give you the clocks like this, you know what I mean? Because, and it's our business proposal to the Clark's company.
Right.
It's not just to say that, hey, we like Clark's and you know.
Because they need to pay attention to what we're doing.
Give thanks.
Operative word there is pay.
Correct. You need to pay for the stuff. All right. So, yes. All right, take it away. We'll come back and we'll have a little chat after. Stage is yours. Nomaddz. Create heaven for us.
Say a clocks, clock you walk in, Yeah, I mean, well, not even clocks, clocks like this,
Not even clocks, clocks like that.
Be creative,
Yeah, hit it.
Yeah, hit it. We keep it clean and smooth, let us shine. All toothbrush make clocks look great. Not even clocks have a clocks like mine. One of a kind, exclusive. We keep it clean and smooth, let us shine. All toothbrush make clocks look great. Not even clocks have a clocks like mine. One of a kind, exclusive. My verse I go start like this. Who have a clocks like this? Big up all radios. Who up and blaze the highest.
Clocks, me have a business proposal. Compensated for being influential. By Jamaica, one brand new hospital. Me say the revolution financial when no man say. Who have a clocks like this?
Bongo man.
Who have a clocks like this?
Bongo girl.
Who have a clocks like this? London. Who have a clocks like this?
Carrington.
Who have a clocks like this?
In a Kingston.
Who have a clocks like this?
In a Brixton.
Who have a clocks like this?
No Rasta man.
Who have a clocks like this?
Clocks step on parade downtown arcade. Them a kind of desert of a keep in the shade. Got me ducks and sell off the bongo grass yard. England in front of them just a laugh. Oh, them laugh.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.
Oh, the bongo pushing grass cat up Princess Street. Man to the hustle like a foot to the teeth. Shoe to the feet. All when cheese eat it rub down.
Life rough, you know see.
Three you take a school.
Me no know how me do it.
Sterling pan the beat.
Clocks put in a cheap. Who have a clocks like this?
Bongo man.
Who have a clocks like this?
This bongo gal.
Who have a clocks like this?
This London.
Who have a clocks like this?
Clarendon.
Who have a clocks like this?
In a Portland.
Who have a clocks like this?
In a Rasta man.
Who have a
Afghanistan. Stay clean and smooth, let her shine. You know it, you know it.
Yeah,
I love it. Never clocks like
Never
this.
clocks like-
Hey, never clocks like
clocks
this.
today.
The woman clocks this, you know? Yeah, yeah.
I love it.
So, question, where we can find it on social media?
Social media is the Nomaddz, TheNomaddz. The Nomaddz on all platforms, you know what I mean?
Alright.
So not just any nomads.
No man, no.
The nomads.
The Nomaddz.
The
See?
Nomaddz.
And I want to know for look out for the brand new, the second single called The Nomaddz in Town.
The Nomaddz in
The
town.
Nomaddz in Town. That one coming out with a video and all of
Magic.
that. On
Yeah.
the 30th of this month.
And the album is titled again
Heaven
on Earth, man.
Perfection.
And it is perfect.
Yeah, and if they want if you want a free album preview, just visit the website. You know what I mean?
That's it. Thank
Yeah,
you
get
all
that
for
going.
tuning in. Wherever vibe, where I catch it. Thank you. Catch us back on Friday with more buzz
Chat.
and chat vibe and mix. We have a class like this.
Daytime life.
This with the anthem.
Tell them already, I'll be tell them again. Daytime life.
Tell them again.
Daytime life. Nomaddz.
Nomaddz.
This with the anthem. Just fly down in a mo painted suit. Yeah, and I'm here for the youth. So, yeah, here with the truth. Boss me through the speaker, them, yeah. And we see